Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add custom domain to your Google AI Studio app. First thing I want you to do is actually create an account on Vercel and make sure you have an account on GitHub as well. And then what you do is you go to Google AI Studio, you just come here and you go ahead and look for your app. So if I come here to build, I come here to your apps. As you can see, I have my different apps here as well. So I'll come here, click on this, and what you want to do is just come to the top, right click on Save to GitHub, and then it will go ahead and ask you to create a repository, then commit changes. I have another video where I show you how to do that step by step and how to connect to GitHub as well. So once you go ahead and save it to GitHub repository, you'll find it right here. And you just go ahead and click on that link here at the top and it will redirect you to this page. And then what I want you to do is go to Vercel, and then once you come here to the home page, you'll actually get the option to go ahead and connect an account. So I want you to go ahead and do that. And after that, what I want you to do is just come here at the top right and click on account settings. And then you'll actually see authentication. Go ahead and connect your GitHub account. You can see I connected it 4 minutes ago. Then we'll come back here to overview, and then we'll go back to the home page. Then all I want you to do is go ahead and add a new project. So the way you go ahead and do that, you just come here and you click on add new, you go ahead and add a new project, and then you can go ahead and import using your GitHub repository. So I have this one imported already. I'll just go ahead and get the calculator app Gemini, which is connected to my GitHub account. So come here, click on import, and then you can go ahead and set a name, choose your Vercel team. Then here, just go ahead and click on deploy. It's starting to deploy. You can go ahead and monitor the progress down here, and once it has been done deployed, you'll see this page, and then here you'll see the domain. This is the default one. Just come here, click on domains, and then from here you can go ahead and click on edit and then connect it to another domain. So you just replace this domain, then you go ahead and redirect that as well, or you can just go ahead and use another domain and save. It was that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix